So this is what I do for the to-do list sticky notes in my office. This makes me remember what are the main tasks. So these are basically the main tasks that I have, and these are the one-time tasks that I have, and these are the long-term tasks that I have. These are less important ones and these are the more important ones, the one-time tasks, and these are the long-term tasks. Now and these are the past activities that I finished. And apart from that, this is for the day trading. It has the lowest, average and the highest in the past 1 year. And with this I know when I need to buy a particular stock. Usually I buy a stock whenever it is close to the L. So this is how I generate the board for the sticky notes in my office room, and this is really helpful. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel.